Hello, my name is Engineer Ladan. You're welcome to this platform. In this video, I want to teach you how to use an AI tool to get different business names for yourself. You want to start a business, for example, but you don't know the name of the business, or you find it difficult to know your name of business. I want to show you in this video. Alright, so stay tuned and let's go there. Now, first of all, you're going to go to Google. Go to Google. Oh no, I don't know, not Facebook. Let's go to Google. Google. Where is Google? Okay, click on Google. Alright, now the next thing is go to your Google search here. Look for Chatgpt. Let's cancel. Let's look for beautiful. Let's use mine. Look at Chatgpt. I already have an account. Okay, so let me just chat and click on it. And then go to click on it again. So it's opening. Now, ChatGPT is opening. This is an artificial intelligence tool that will help you do that. Now, it wants me to verify whether I'm a human being or not. Okay, I'm going to click on verify. Let's wait for it to verify me. It's done. So, wait a little. Wait a little, it's loading. Yes, it has loaded. Now, let's go down, scroll up. Okay, let me see. Yeah, click on start. Look at start now. Alright, so just wait a little. Fantastic, beautiful. Now come down where you can see message ChatGPT. Click on that place. Now I want you to type. You can say, okay, kindly give me 10 different business names for my small scale business. Alright, let's just say, okay, kindly give me 10 business names, 10 business names for my small scale, small scale poultry for my small scale, let me correct the scale, good, small scale poultry farm. Kindly give me 10 business names for my small scale poultry business or business firm. Now click on this arrow that points up, tap on it, wait for it. Beautiful. What can you see? It has generated possible business names for you. So it says, sure, here are 10 business names ideas for a small scale poultry business. Is it number 1, Feathered Friends Poultry? Number 2, Golden Egg Farm, Clock and Co, Happy Hen Heaven, Sunrise, it says Sunrise Poultry, Purely Poultry, Fresh Feather Farm, Excellent Poultry, Green Acres Poultry, Feather Farm. You can see, so you have 10 possible names. You can choose one if you so wish, but if you're not comfortable with this one, you can tell it again. Maybe could you please add more 5 other possible names? Alright, and you may say, okay, you should add 5 possible names and associate it to maybe something green, okay, something environment or something. So let's do it. It's okay. Could you add more 5 possible names for the business and relate the names to environment, okay, environment. So could you add more uh, five possible names. Excuse me. Good. Possible names for the business. Relate the names to environment. So tap on this one. Fantastic. What can you say? Say, of course. What can you say? Of course. Here are five more environmentally themed names for your poultry business. It says Econest Poultry, Green Meadow Farms, Earth-friendly eggs, Nature's Nest Poultry, Sustainable Feathers, and so on. So can you see? That's how easy it is to use an AI such as Chatgpt to get possible business names for your poultry business. And this applies for any kind of business. I hope you learned something. I want you to tell me your thoughts. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, give it a like, share this video for those that will be of benefit. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.